can't get enough of that social distancing, but you can't get your friends to stay 6 feet away from you? Try Pocket Sounds. Its fart noise sound effect releases the most obnoxious, the loudest, the most unnatural fart sound you have ever heard. You'll have no trouble keeping people 6 feet away from you with Pocket Sounds.
Do you want someone to laugh at your terrible jokes but can't hang out with your friends due to social distancing?
Hey, what kind of tea do football players drink? Penalty!
Try Pocket Sounds and you'll seem as funny as a comedian.
Why did the coach go to the bank? To get his quarterback!
You can get Pocket Sounds for $9.99, a $25 value. And if you call our number in the next 10 minutes, we'll throw in this pen with a parrot on it. It doesn't come with a cap, but it sure is festive.